Alright guys, welcome to my channel. Going straight into the video. I'm starting off with my brows already done, my eyelids primed. The palette that I'll be using today is my ABH Contour Kit, and this is the medium to tan one. My first transition color that I'll be using is Macchiato. And I'm going to be blending that all in my upper crease. After I've gotten Macchiato to where I like it, I went in and nutmeg just to darken it up a little bit. Now after I've got my transition to where I want it, I went in with Havana just to darken up my crease. You guys please excuse my facial expressions. I was watching TV and dancing at the same time. Okay, after I've got Havana in my crease, I'm going to go in with the darkest color, which is Espresso, and I'm going to tap that on my outer corner, and I'm going to place that in my lower crease. Now I'm using my same Wet n Wild eye blending brush. Okay, after putting all of those colors, I just went in with my e.l.f. Flawless Concealer brush with a little bit of nutmeg on it just to blend out any harsh edges that I might have felt like I had after, putting a dark color into it. I went ahead and cut my crease off camera, but it will be fixed in the next clip. I put my LA Colors Loose Shimmer Shadow on in a color Sunset, and that shadow is $1, and it is just the prettiest ever. And you can find it at Dollar Tree. Here for my foundation, I'm applying my Maybelline Fit Me in the color 330 Toffee. I'm using my e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush to blend that out too. And this brush is only like $6. Okay, as you guys can see, I used way too much concealer, but I'm going to be blending my LA Girl Pure Beige Concealer out with my Real Technique sponge. Okay, I lost the clip of me cream contouring, but I went ahead and also set my face with the Maybelline Shine Free Loose Powder off camera. Now I'm going in with my MAC Mineralize Skin Finish in the color Deep just to, bronze my contour or blend it out a little bit because it is kind of harsh. Now I'm taking that same skin finish and I'm just going to bronze up my nose a little bit. As you guys can see, I have a tiny nose, but for some reason today I just wanted it to look a lot snatched. Now for highlighter, I'm going in with my OG highlighter from Wet n Wild. in the shade Boozy Brunch, and I'm just going to hit all my high points like my nose, my eyebrow bones, my cheekbones, upper lip, all that good stuff. Okay, y'all, and your girl loves some setting spray, so after I'm done with my makeup, I always drench my face in some kind of setting spray. Here, I use the MAC Fix Plus. And when you spray too much and it starts to drip, do not let it drip. Just take you a sponge or a brush and just dab it really lightly. Now I'm lip lining my lips with NYX lip liner in the shade Nude Truffle, and the butter gloss that I'll be using is also from NYX, and that it's in the shade Maybelline. Okay, you guys, that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Love you. Bye.